we don't pick the right priorities now, make the right choices now, we could hinder growth and opportunity for decades and leave our children with something less.
There will be then the G20 summit in Pittsburgh, which will work on it, but the hope is to finally reach a body of rules which can be shared by everybody, which however are not going to affect or hinder the free expansion of the economy and trade.
Common sense rules of the road don't hinder the market, they make the market stronger. Indeed, today our aging system of highways and byways, air routes and rail lines hinder our economic growth. Today, the average American household is forced to spend members of Congress, you can help people make progress in their own lives, or you can hinder that progress. And the decisions right now that are being made in Ukraine will not help that process, it'll hinder it.